which is released independently. And if you like the song that you're about to hear, you can download it at www.ayadeleon.com. If you don't know how to spell my name, it's spelled as A-I-A, Alpha, Igloo, Alpha, Not, the bold star. So it's all vowels. It's ayadeleon.com, and you can download it for free. It's a gift for you. So this is called Tao Lang. Can you close the door, please? Can you close the door, please? Let's set the precedent here. If someone's on stage, yeah, close the door, please. Yeah. Especially if you're given something for free, I think you should give respect. Close the door, please. Okay. What? Yeah, close the door. Lock the door! Anyway, I'd like to thank you for being here and for being such a great audience. Thank you so much. This is for you. This is for free. If you like the song, you can download it for free. Mong basagin, maluwalhating langit kong tunay na tahimik. Sa nagbabadyang mali siya may kaan. Sanang linutin sa iyong paglaro ko ang masusugatan. Ang sugurin ng hindi mo mapilit. Pilitin ang hindi mo maisip. Kung suyurin ang hindi mo mawari. Kung pilitin, no, amay na rin. Tao lang taong maninagdaman pa. Puso ko baliw sa tagsulat. Pag nangyari to, parang nangingin ko ng bababa. Yari ang puso pag pinilit mo yan. Gusto ko sanang umibig. Tao lang, tao po, tao lang. Gusto ko sanang umibig. Tao lang, tao po, tao lang. Ang daanin sa pagtitig at nakalahalik. Ang dumugin, bawat ligalig ng puso mong bihag lang ang inig. Sa nagbabadyang mali siya may nakaangat. Masalang limutin sa iyong paglaro ko ang masusugatan. Mahirap